Want a break from the ads? Ads?
First, you need to have black main clip or black background. Now add image layer, then add two image in one video. Click the first image layer, then go to Keyframe and transform. Adjust the scale and position. As you can see, the opacity is turning gray, so we need to change it to black. Then do the process again at the second image. Just take note the placement of every keyframe. Now add fade in effect at the video layer by adding keyframe opacity. Now add audio.
Want a break from the ads?
Click Add Layer, then add Text Layer, and type Want a break from the ads. Choose the font you like, then adjust its duration. Adjust it to 1.7 second, like this, then add fade in opacity keyframe. Duplicate it, then move it at the end of the second clip. Now let's add oscillate and flicker effect. Search oscillate, then add it. Click this, then copy and paste it at the second image. Go back to our first image, then add flicker effect. Copy and paste it again at the second clip.
Want a break from the ads? Want a break from the ads?
For the video layer, we will use the new effect Light Rays. Radius, KFO65. You can adjust the placement of light rays at the center. Then adjust the intensity with your desired intensity. This part is optional, but I like this effect, so I will introduce it to you. Add VHS new effect. I like it because it's like a effect. You can adjust intensity, remove or adjust wrinkle, choose the type of tape you like and also can choose status shear.
Want a break from the ads?
That's all, thanks for watching.
Want a break from the ads? Want a break from the ads?